Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Today we will take a look at two currencies, Euro currency and Great British Pound. So in the beginning of the video, just a few words on the Euro currency, because mostly we have talked about it yesterday and situation hasn't changed significantly. So indeed, as you have suggested, the appearing of the shooting star pattern here and reaching of the hour sale for the current week, its completion of the butterfly, we said that at least 3 retracement should happen here, and it indeed has happened. So you can see market has reached right now the previous top around 119 area and stands around it. So taking into consideration the manner how this has happened, so here you could recognize some kind of the evening star pattern has been formed. So it's not classical pattern, so this candle is too small, but in general this drop and it's very fast action in yesterday's session could lead us to take a look at this formation, and it really brings some hint on the possible deeper retracement here. So it could be some kind of the maybe a BCD pattern on the intraday charts. So right now we can't say definitely what will happen today, because if you'll take a look at the follow time frame chart, market has reached our predefined support. So this is weekly pivot point and 1862, 1876 confluence support on the follow time frame chart. Well, theoretically, reaching of this such strong level and some preparation for non-farm payrolls tomorrow, it could trigger some minor bounce here, some respect to this area. But right now, market just has tested this area and we do not see any signs of that. So no pattern has been formed here yet. So just keep an eye on what will happen. Drop your time frame to the 15-minute chart. If you will see some reversal patterns here are forming, maybe butterfly, maybe hand shoulders on the 15-minute chart, that could mean that some upward retracement here could happen. Also, guys, take a look that here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 candles to the downside. This runs down could be used for the Jordan apple pattern. So probably it could be some kind of the brand body sell if market will show a meaningful retracement up. So also scalp trade on the Euro currency. That's what you could watch for on the Euro. Now let's shift to the Great British Pound. On the Great British Pound, situation stands mostly on the daily chart, mostly bullish, because here we have the bullish divergence with the MACD. Right, market has reached the confluence support on the daily chart and complete this harmonic swing, and it means that here some reasonable bounce up could happen. Some retracement could continue here to the upside. Also, if you'll take a look at the follow time frame chart, we will see that some kind of the hand shoulder pattern is forming. So indeed, this could be left shoulder, head, so right shoulder right now is forming. Also, market has formed here as bullish reversals, so you can see this upward action is greater than the previous swing down, and it has been stopped right at the weekly pivot resistance 1. Market right now stands in downward action. Let's take a look that here was the open of the week. Weekly pivot point has not been tested yet. So it means that in the nearest period, maybe today, maybe even today, tomorrow, we probably will see some kind of the downward continuation, because market should complete the right shoulder of this pattern, and maybe upward action that we are talking about on the daily chart. It really could start maybe not even on this week, but maybe on next week. In the current situation, it seems that some deeper retracement could happen here. At least this is suggested by the shape of the pattern. So there should be some kind of the harmony here. Shoulders should be approximately equal. That's why, and the appearing of the reversal swing again tells that usually market after reversal swing shows some kind of the compounded 2-leg retracement, and it means it should be deep. And first level to watch for is an area of the weekly pivot point in 28.56 support. So that's that we could watch for on the Great British Pound today and tomorrow. Now hourly chart, guys, this action could take the shape of this ABCD pattern. Also, this part of the ABCD could be the butterfly. In general, there are positive expectations on the non-farm payrolls release tomorrow, so we know that the ADP report was positive. Gross domestic product was revised to the upside, and its overall background sentiment right now is positive for the United States dollar. That's why maybe today, tomorrow, indeed, we could see this action. On the Great British Pound will complete this hand shoulder pattern, and here we could think about taking the long position and moving up, if of course we will get some bullish reversal patterns. Also, guys, still I think that we could keep an eye on these lows, because theoretically, at least theoretically, market keeps chance to reverse up immediately, because that could become, for example, left wing of the butterfly, right? And this could become the right wing. Market indeed could start upward action immediately, especially if the non-farm report will be negative. That's why these lows will be very important. So if market will take out these lows, it will mean that yes, this scenario is correct, and we need to wait for 28, 40, 20, and 50 area to complete. If market will fail and will continue to coil around this area and will not continue move down and will stand above these lows, it could mean that market indeed will start upward action here. So just keep an eye on what will happen. But I, of course, prefer the classical behavior. So it would be really good if market will shows the classical shape of the hand shoulders. That will be just simpler to act, because if market will hold above these lows, and you will have to make the decision very fast. So that's not the way of the trading how I like to do this. So that's what we see right now on euro currency and Great British Pound. Let's see what will happen today, and it's interesting what will happen on non-farm payrolls tomorrow.